All right, so apparently my beard has reached gotta do something about it stage, and it's getting that edgy stage where you're like, okay, now I need to trim it. Now, normally I use the barber to trim it, but in between cuts, I try to take care of it myself. I just don't trust it to get me a complete good lineup. So I'm not really good at getting those lines, but just in the nick of time, this company decided, hey, I'm gonna send you this and tell me what you think. And again, they're gonna get what I think, because when it comes to this kind of stuff, I'm really particular. But the thing that I'm gonna tell you right out of the gate that I like, not how it cuts, not that it lasts a long time, none of that stuff, but the thing that I love about it is the space-saving design, right? My old trimmer, or the one that I've been rocking with for years, you have to have a bag of this stuff right here. This guy right here, you have this attachment and this attachment and a nose trimmer, because you know what, you never want to go out in public without trimming your nose hairs, for sure. But that's it. You don't need 20 different attachments. And you have an A and a B right here, if you can see that, the A and a B. So obviously you put the A on and you're gonna have those guides, or those set. You're gonna put A on, you're gonna have those settings. Put B on, you're gonna have those settings. And so that's pretty cool. It's just an A and a B. You can't go wrong. With over 42 different adjustments, you can do that. Now, whenever I do trim my beard, I'm gonna start with B. I usually like to go, whenever I use a new tool that I'm not familiar with, I usually like to go the largest setting first. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go with the B setting. And now, here I click. Now I'm going B. And we're gonna go all the way up. You see how just this actually raises and lowers. So when you have this off, this always stays neutral. So this is 0. This is just pure skin on skin action. So you can take that off really quick. Oh, and the other thing, yeah, you can do this in the shower. You got a mirror in the shower, you can trim in the shower. Guess what? Your wife's gonna love that you do it in the shower, not on the floor, not on the rug, not on the sink. Because no matter how many times I clean up, she always says, you're leaving hair in there. I'm like, where? And yep, sure enough, I can't see it, but the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi. That's a new one. Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi. I love that. All right, so now let's just see how it works. So you turn it on, obviously, and it already comes pre-charged. We're sitting right at 100. It is USB-C, so if it wasn't, I would definitely knock it down a bunch of points for that. So the biggest setting that we got here, and we're gonna go and we're gonna see exactly how it does on that big setting. So I'm gonna do that. It didn't get anything that way, but there we go. Okay, that did it. It worked. I don't need these settings. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need that. I don't need that anymore. And honestly, I'm not joking. When I'm full-time RVing, space is very limited. And I gotta show you, this is the only space that I get out of the entire, and it needs to be organized. And so I am dropping, this couldn't have come at a better time, because I need to organize that space. I need to reclaim some of my space back. That's the biggest thing as a full-time RVer, is you're constantly battling space. Anything that can save me bags of stuff, yeah, I'm in all the way. So I already like it for that. Let's just keep going. Hey, I'm gonna do a quick before I trimmed it and after I trimmed it. Now again, I am not a professional, I'm not a barber. I suck at trimming beards, but when it gets to that stage where it gets itchy, I love just knocking it down and growing it back. Before and now after. And it does its job. It does what it says it does, so you can't complain about it. I can't complain about it at all. I'm gonna test out the nose trimmer. You can look away if you want. But in order to do that, you got to press this little button to take the head off. Simple as that. And then you pop this head on just like so. You pop that head on and you're good to go. I also use this for my ears as well. Now I will say the only attachment that I wish it had, maybe something on top of here, I don't know, is a little bit of an eyebrow, because sometimes I can get those, woo, whatever. My wife says, you need to pluck your eyebrows. So sometimes that can happen to me. All right, those of you guys who look away, you can look back. I'm not going to be trimming my nose hairs anymore if you think that's gross. It does have a cap right here. It is completely waterproof. Like I said, you can do it in the shower. I'm probably going to be testing that because I made a mess here lastly, it does come with a cleaning brush. Now, to clean it, it looks pretty easy. Looks really easy, actually. And the cool thing is that it actually tells you, hey buddy, it's time to clean. Don't do what I did. I pulled the top off here and it actually looks like it's made, this little piece right here, it's probably made for other attachments that are in the future, because this comes off and locks in. So maybe they do have an eyebrow or a trimmer that I just didn't get on this kit. And it makes a lot of sense that you have that for different attachments if you needed that. So again, here we go. And now I'm just gonna pop the head back on. See that click? I'm gonna try and trim. So one of the things I do like is right here, see how good that works? Just the straight razor right there. I do like the detached beard look a little bit, and then I like to come down a little bit on my stash and trim my stash up so it's off the lip with the razor part. All right, don't judge me. Okay, go ahead, judge me. How did I do? Judge this thing. This thing's gonna cut, gonna trim, gonna use it in the shower. So it replaces all those pieces that I just had, and it is going to live with me until it dies, because I was looking for something like this. So thank you for sending it to me. But yeah, I'm not really somebody that is particular. It doesn't have to be like top of the line. It just has to get the job done. And that's the best compliment that I could ever give something like this, that I'm not a professional. I'm sure a lot of you guys are not professional barbers, but if it gets the job done, that's all I care about. And all these attachments, I can even fine tune it for whatever your beard shape is. So if you're looking for something that is simple, easy to use, replaces a lot of your tools, and you need to save some space like I do, then yeah, I'd probably pick this one up for sure.